So this is going to be a quick little video to clean up some of the code from the last piece of work we did on the user interface. The text here is quite ugly in terms of its code. We've got a $sign added to a string that's been formatted to be 0 decimal places based on the value of the coin. Now, we can do what's called an extension to add functionality to the double type. So it has the ability to be a string and actually add a $sign to the front. So I'm going to use a extension of double and give it a compute. Oh, I like that actually. Let me just start that again. So this is going to be a quick little video to learn about extensions. So extensions are where you can add functionality to an existing type. So for example, we have this coin, which was in our dollars array. The coin was converted to a string with a format that has 0 decimal places, and then we add a $sign to the front. Now this is really ugly code and something we're probably going to do quite a few times in applications such as this. So we create an extension to double to give it additional functionality. Inside the extension, we create a computed variable called dollar or dollars, and it's going to return a type string, which is what we need for our text view. So we're going to grab this code here and simply cut it out and paste it as our return value. Now we can't use coin as our converted double because that's actually from our dollars array. We can actually use what's called self. So self refers to whatever value the double is when we create it. So this coin is going to have a value of say 0.05. That is the value for the double coin, and that will go into here for our extension. So it's going to convert to 0 decimal places and add a $sign to the front. So now I can go to coin.dollars and I can make that into the format for dollars. Now this won't change our application in any way, shape or form because it's supposed to have a $sign at the front with a 1 just as we have now. And we do the same thing for cents. And we're going to grab this one here where we multiply the coin by 100, then put a C on the end. But again, we can't use coin because that's a part of the loop. We're using self. So whatever value the double is, that will be placed into here, multiplied by 100 and made into 0 decimal places and adding a C to the end. So now up into our coin.cents. Now if we like, we could actually do that here with our H stack. So we might make another one just for the sake of it. Var currency, it's going to be a string. And I'm going to copy that out and I'll give it 2 decimal places this time. So we have a currency format as such, or currency computed variable inside of double. So I can technically go up into here. I should remove all of that. Text piggy bank dot savings goal, which is a double, and I can now make it into currency. As we resume, they'll be slightly different because of the way we had the formatting of our $sign. And there we go. Dot font dot large title dot bold. And now we've got a currency format for a double anytime we want it. Wasn't savings goal, that will be total in fact. So now when we play that, it still runs the exact same format as we were doing before with 2 decimal places because we had a number format for the text, but now we have a currency format where we're putting a $sign at the front as well. As with everything in code, there's always a multitude of ways of doing the exact same thing. It all depends on your style and what you prefer to use.